Hello, so for today's video is mag-Q&A lang ta. Kay na-miss ko mag isang video. And ning video gid nga about self-reflection, about life update. Kay diba usually sa mga vlog ko, unless ko nga vlog tong January pa tong school vlog, tas bokeh man to. Wala lang daw record lang ko sito daw, dump lang, something like that. Pero subong, this is something serious kay mag Q&A kita kay kay nabigalan ko sang live ko kay nasa YouTube itong 2023 kong na video 2023 July 2023 bla ko sito 18 ba? 18 years old now. Let's make another video na it's already 2025, like what's the update on my life, ano yung mga changes now that I am 20, ano ba yung mga pinagdaanan natin sa life, ano ba yung mga expectations natin. So before nga nag-start yung video, medyo na-bother ko na before ko nag-record ng video kaya na-realize ko na hindi kasi symmetrical lang ako sure, which is totally fine even though hindi na siya symmetrical. Gwapo nilo, super hot, gwapo, pinakagwapo sa lahat, totoo. I love myself, I love my face even though it's not symmetrical kasi nga wala eh. Di ba makita yung hindi siya symmetrical because naka-mirrored, I mean naka-off yung mirror. Basta lang siya naka-mirrored. Ang magaling astura, which is fine, still hot, still handsome, even though my face is not symmetrical. Di ba no? Mas haba dali, tapos na rin short. Which is fine. It's totally fine. Totally fine. Hindi naman ako Francisco Lachowski na Lachowski. Basta hindi naman ako si Francisco Lachowski na perfect symmetry yung face. I'm just Benedict Catalan. No, I'm not just Benedict Catalan. I am Benedict Catalan and I'm beautiful just the way I am. So let's start this vlog with the first question. Kamusta? So bali Ilonggo vlog gali ni siya no kay di ba ka-practice na ako nga mag-Ilonggo na hindi na ako mag-English pala mo da. So, first question is, kamusta ka subong? Sa totoo lang. So, subong, so far, I can say that I am happier, better, stronger, and just doing better than I ever was. Like, legit. Kung kisa man may bad days, hindi ka na maiwasan nga, bad days. Kasi nga, bisan ano pa natin kakontrol, hindi ka maiwasan ng bad days naman, mga things that could trigger us, things that could make us depressed. But in total, sa life ko subong, I'm doing fine, doing better. I'm really doing better. My relationship, I'm doing good, like in general. Like really, maybe I'm nag-struggle ko sa ibang things, but to look into the bigger picture, I am doing better than I ever was. I've grown so much. A lot of changes happened to my life, especially last year, and I'm grateful for the changes, no, kasi nga diba the only constant thing in this world is change, and I'm grateful. And ano lang to, basta I'm just fine compared mo sa last year. Last year I was doing fine last year, pero compared mo sa last year, aran ako sa medyo highest point na siya. Di ba dati lowest point na aran ako sa highest point. Pero kung aran ako sa lowest point, which is fine kasi naman life naman is composed of good days and bad days. Pero even though may good days and bad days ko, good days, bad days, even though may amo na, pero subong in general, good. I'm doing good. Ano ang wait a damn minute. Halin na binigay ChatGPT tapos ging try ko siya nga i-Ilonggo ko siya. Tapos kabalo na siya mag-Ilonggo subong, dati hindi pa na siya kabalo ba. What do you mean? Wait lang. What do you mean by... Wait lang bala, guys. Deep abis ang Ilonggo niya, di ko kahidla. Ginapakahidlawan mo lately. Na-miss ko lately. Ano miss ko? Siya? That is super cringe. And it's totally fine, cringe. is normal. Cringe, there's nothing wrong with being cringe, pero ang mga gikahidlawan ko man, nahidlawan ko nga mga things. So, wala man. Ay, yeah, may nahidlawan ko lately is, of course, yung senior high school life ko, my senior high school friends, classmates, yung senior high school life, yung overall senior high school life, that was, even though, di ba, instead ko ang idea sa utak ko nga, you should live in the present, pero whenever I remember ko ang senior high school life ko. Super nostalgic. That is good old days. So, mo tong mga friends ko, senior high school life. Dala mo nang ginakailawan ko subong. Ano mga bagay nga ginapasalamatan mo subong nga adlaw. So, things that I'm grateful for today. Of course, naka-workout ko. I'm woke up. Nga healthy ko. Nga I don't feel anything bad about my body. Ang naka-workout ko. Nakakaon ko. May tubig, may kuryente, may wifi. And, yeah. But I'm doing fine. Good health. Even though, financially struggling, but there's a lot of things to be grateful for. Ano ang mga struggles mo subong? Paano mo sila tubang? First ko struggle, financial, for those of you, basta alam niyo naman na, diba dati pag senior high school, damugi ko kwarta kayo sa comms, pero subong, no, I'm broke. Zero broke. So, ang mga financial struggle kaya hindi ko nagid damo ko sa mga needs nga gusto ko like i-prioritize, pero hindi ko gid siya ma-prioritize kay wala kita kwarta, which is fine. Ako naman, I'm still clinging to the hope na there will be better days ahead nga temporary lang gini. Magkakwarta din ako soon. When lang gid. Patience. And ano to? Struggles. I think I have struggles with, this is something personal. Yes, ang struggle ko good lately is yung mental peace. Yes, mental peace, because my intrusive thoughts is really, medyo intrusive talaga siya kung minsan, no? Pero okay man lang, kay may coping mechanisms man ko, and I am more powerful than my intrusive thoughts. Ang magandang thing that intrusive thoughts cannot take away from me. I am so much more stronger than you. You're just a fucking intrusive thoughts. Ang intrusive thoughts, dark thoughts, mga depressing thoughts. Ang struggles ko. Ano pa mga struggles ko? Boredom? I don't know. I don't want to label boredom as struggle. Yung Diyos ko, Lord. Kasi I don't want a karma. Pero maybe boredom? No, boredom. I don't have any problem with boredom, pero yes, sometimes boredom gidabi. Budlay gid siya. Budlay feel yung boy. No, boredom is fine. Feeling it is something that you should be grateful for. It is a privilege na ma-bored ka. It means that you have a lot of time. It's just that wala ka lang gid sang activities or things na ginakabalakan. Amo nang bored ka. So, dapat you should be grateful for. Amo na namang struggles ko subong. Hindi ko ma-hit ang protein intake ko kasi nga appeal gyapon siya sa financial connection sa financial. Hindi ko ma-hit yung protein. Kailangan ko ng protein for the gains and for recovery sa aking workout. And financial also struggles. Hindi ko kalakat sa gym. Hindi ko siyang pamasahe. Mostly financial gid. Appeal gid ning financial struggles ang gining root ko sang nagkabulol-bulol ang buhay ko. So, ano mang kwarta na ko. Ano ang mga goals mo this year? Nagabag-o bala sila. Goals ko this year, I don't have a specific goal. Di ba doon na himuan ko na yung reflection tong January nga wala ko specific goal. Though may ko sang long-term goal. Hindi lang siya for this specific year, but my long-term, lifelong goals, of course, to be physically active, to heal, to grow, self-improvement, and to do mga lifelong goals ko. Yeah, lifelong goals, diba? abi may nag-agi, so I paused it for a little while. Lifelong goals. Amo ito doon nahimuon ko na bin siya reflection dati nga, di ba? Wala man ko sang specific goal nga like gusto ko gid ma-achieve na for this year. Wala man gid, no pressure. Wala ko kay I don't wanna set an unrealistic goal and tapos ang ending man lang is ma-disappoint ko, ma-frustrate ko, I will feel bad about myself, so that mo ginaiwasan ko always. So maybe ang goal ko lang gid is to do my best in everything, be kind to myself, and just go with the flow sa life, di ba? Kay beyond the only thing that we can control is our mind, di ba? Stoicism naman tayo ngayon, no? And beyond that, external events di mo na ma-control, like life circumstances, sa mga uncertainty, di mo naman siya ma-control. So I don't know, basta I'm just gonna go to the flow, just maintain kung ano man ang ginahimo ko subong, like consistency sa aking physical activeness, and maybe and do my best in everything, in academics, in self improvement, di ba? I love you, self. I really love you, self. Sino ang tawo nga dako ang impact sa imo life recently? Siya po. Bakla. Wala. Tao? I don't know. Wala mang gidapi kasi nga wala gid. Maybe considered ba yung mga fitness influencers, yung mga life wellness coaches online, maybe sila lang gid ang may big impact sa akon nga life. Yung mga self-improvement coaches, fitness coaches nga gina-follow ko online, maybe sila. I think, definitely. Ano ang mga bagay nga ginakabalakan mo subong? Wala, di ba? Hamal ko ganing bored na ko. Boredom ang isa kong problem. Sorry. Boredom. I mean, ginakabalakan ko sa buong, di ba naman, of course, the usual, lifting weights, gym and running, and also, wala ko hobby sa buong, this summer, as in, I want to read a book, pero wala na reading slump na naman ko. And wala, i-accept ko na lang talaga yung fate nga maboard na lang ko, and I'll just do the things that I want. Pero ginakabalakan ko lang sa buong lantaw lang ko movies tagahapon, or kung maboard ko, and lantaw TV series, and wala mo ko advanced study, wala ako advanced study. Kung pwede ka ka-stress ang imo 2023 selves, ano ang hiyambal mo sa iya? 2023 self, di ba bago ko lang na siya gilantaw na kay 2023 Benedi Catalan, ang mahambal ko lang sa imo is I'm doing better now, and some of your mga things that you're wishing for dati is I'm now living in now. I'm now living in the things that you are wishing for dati. You are now doing good, and you already overcame yung mga biggest, darkest challenges mo. And you're doing good. And I know you're so proud of me for what I have achieved, for what I've been through, for what I am now, and I know you're so proud of me. Ano ang pinaka-proud nga nabuhat mo lately? Proud. Wait, ito nag-top 5 ko sa well, wala ko nag-expect ito. Top 5 sa qualifying exam. So, it doesn't matter. Top 5 lang na. It doesn't mean na top 5 ka makasurvive. It doesn't mean nga makasurvive ka na sa accountancy program. No. Basic accounting lang to, top 5. Pero siguro, amo na lang itong mga achievement ko. What else? Achievement ko is, of course, I am now stronger. Getting stronger every day, every week, every month. And I'm doing significant progress, not only physically, mentally, but on my overall well-being. Ang pinaka-proud ko nga nahimo lately. Kamusta ang relationship mo sa imong kaugalingon? Di ba pansin nyo man nga how much I love myself? So, amo tong pinaka-changes. Big changes nga natabo. I love myself so much now. Kaya 2023 self, inggit pikit. Kasi nga alam ko naman, di ko naman mahal sarili mo dati. Pero na, my relationship with myself, obvious naman sa mga videos, sa mga ginapang-answer ko na question that I love myself so much right now. So, aray na sa mga random questions. Ano ang favorite song mo subong kag nga abot ang pinaka-struggle ko everyday kung ano nga kanta ang piliun ko nga kay gamix-mix na sa utak ko, like choices overload. Pero lately sa gid ko most streamed ko is The Neighborhoods ng mga kanta kag Arctic Monkeys and Borns. Amo lang gina pamatian ko, pero siguro ano mga kanta, I don't know. Wala something The Neighborhoods. Ano galing ang Neighborhoods kakanta? Ano ba? Ano ba Neighborhoods? Scary Love, na Reflections. May crush ka subong, kamusta ka mo? Wala ko crush, like legit. I mean, hindi ko siya meron kayo sa tao, pero hindi ko siya ma-consider as crush. Kasi nga, I don't know, maybe I just love the idea of having a crush. So, amo tong daw gina-push ko sarili ko. Pero no, there's no attraction. Anong pinaka-recently sa mga natunan mo? Nga, recent lesson, gito, rejection is redirections. And rejection is redirection. It doesn't mean na na-reject ka sa isa ka bagay is the end na. It just mean nga hindi ka para dito. There's more thing na nakalaan sa imo. That's why na-reject ka. Second is you should value your worth. Dapat hindi mo gid i-lower yung standards mo just para ma-accept ka sang ibang na tao. You should value your worth. You should know your worth. You should not settle for less. If you know na you are being disrespected, underestimated, no, cut the connection. Value your worth. Set the standards higher. Know your worth. You are worthy. Okay, isa sa mga lesson na natunan ko. And boredom is privilege and loneliness is normal. Na mga natunan ko subong. Pila ka hours ka natulog kagabi. So this summer is 8 o'clock pa lang screen off na gid ko. So kung mag-screen off ko 8 o'clock, makatulog ko sila mga 9 or 10 na guro. So bali 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 hours, mga 8 to 9 hours. 7 to 9 hours. So, hindi ko siya consistent always. So, draw lang siya sa range. 7 to 9 hours, which is so fucking good. I'm so proud of myself. Ano ang comfort food mo lately? Anong comfort food? Lagay ko pang bakal sang food. Legit, lagay ko pang bakal pagkaon. I'm just starving here. I fucking hate this poverty era. Pero comfort food, wala. Kung ano lang arad sa may kung ano nga arad rin nga pagkaon naman ng comfort food ko. Pero comfort food, maybe wala, itlog na lang ang mga afford ko. Comfort food, bitaw, itlog na lang ginapakaon. So yup, itlog na lang. Ano ang last nga ginahibian mo? I don't even know. Saan ko last time? Saan ang last kong nahibi? Like, yeah, I'm a numb person. So, barely lang ko nga maghibi. Unless lang it's really hits hard. Pero, legit. I don't know. Basta I'm numb. I'm a kind of person nga numb gid ko. Kisa lang gid ko. Siguro sa isa katuig ka isa lang ko maghibi. Ay, balang ko nati. Visit nga. Na-remember ko na naman. Last time ko nga gihibian tong ging humiliate ko sa akon nga teacher. So, let's forget about that shit. Anong isa ka pangarap mo nga daw malayo pa pero ginahandam mo nga gihapon? Isa sa mga dreams ko, of course. Financial stability, ay nang ano na, financial stability and independence ng ano bala ako nila ning I will now nang pangarap ko nga ako na nang I will not worry of money anymore. Hindi ako magproblema sa kwarta. Tapos, I'm living alone in a studio type apartment and living my life alone. Living peacefully. Ang simple dream ko lang to be financially stable, live independently, live my life independently away from this toxic environment. Anong isa ka childhood memory nga gusto mo balikan? Sorry, but I don't have a good childhood memories full of traumas and shit. Oh, trauma dumping na tayo dito. Childhood memories. Maybe, tong always ko sa computer shop and wala lang, matila ko sa mga magampang ko Minecraft, tas YouTube, yung mga pop songs during early 2010s, Katy Perry, Taylor Swift. Ano ba mga ginapamatian ko dati? Basta mga Nadine Lustre, James Street na kanta. Twice. Yeah. Tama ng childhood memories ko. Describe your ideal day. Ano itsura sang perfect nga adlaw para sa imo? Perfect day, of course. Slow mornings. Nang wala ko garage or anything. I just woke up from an 8-hour sleep. Tapos, I'm gonna drink my water, eat my breakfast, drink my coffee and meditate and work out, do household chores, eat the food I want, watch entertainment, and sleep. Listen to music and sleep. Perfect day ko. So, wow, I am living I'm actually having a perfect day every day. Pero it's not always perfect, pero it's close to perfection. So, I am grateful for that. Even though, things are not that. Things are hard, but living this life is something that I should be grateful for. Kung may isa ka word para sa i-describe sa chapters ng kabuhi mo sa buong na siya kag nga isa ka word. Hindi git pantay tsura ta pero it's fine, papogi fine. Tinan mo tayo hindi symmetrical tsura except lang kay Francisco Lachowski, which is fine. Isa ka word na mag-describe sa akon nga life subong. Maybe it's hindi wala ko maisip. It's I don't know be kung may Google word pero sorry, limited na kasi yung vocabulary natin, no? Word man daw abi. I think lang word is broke. Muna na broke na lang kasi nga broke ka talaga ako ngayon and being broke maka-affect siya as in naapektuhan niya gid yung overall lifestyle ko, yung pagiging broke ko. So, pero ganda di ba number ko gina should be grateful for even though things struggle ko, for example financially, I'm still living a decent life, a perfect life. And it's a privilege and it's a blessing. Even though the struggles, I can still wake up in the morning, do my workout, eat and bed rot. So, broke. And that's for today's video. And I don't know when will I watch this again, but na-miss ko lang gid mag-himo sa video and I know my future self will be proud of this nga gihimo ko ni, and maybe I'm gonna watch this sa future, and I hope you future self na naginalanta mo ni subong, I hope you're doing good, doing better kung ano man ang experience ko subong. I hope you're doing better dyan, kasi nga I can say I'm doing better, pero I'm still doing better. I'm doing better now, but I hope you're doing better. Dapat doing better ka gid dira sa future. If you're not doing better, but it's fine if it's not better. It's not the end of the world. What I meant is just I hope you're just doing good, and surviving life. That's all. I love you. I love you, future self. I love you, Benedict.